Hello to all the powerful programmers. Today, I'm here to introduce something that's going to revolutionize the programming industry. You've probably faced issues while coding that messed with your nerves, random bugs, typos, and so on. Now, a new assistant has been introduced that can change everything. It can multiply your speed several times over. It's so advanced that some people even say it will replace humans in programming. But is that really true? Let's dive into the tutorial and introduction of this assistant. This is a powerful assistant AI that allows you to code much faster. Whatever command you have, just tell it, and it will execute it super quickly. It can automatically understand your code, so there's no need for any extra work. This assistant has an auto-completion system that can write anywhere from 1 to 100 lines of code in less than a second. It can predict your code and complete it automatically. That's seriously insane. Another crazy feature of this assistant is editing multiple lines of your code simultaneously. It can predict exactly which part of your code you're going to and be ready for you before you even get there. If you don't feel like writing full lines of code or you have typos, don't worry at all. This assistant will automatically fix everything for you. It also gives you smart code editing and a powerful debugging feature with ease. Finally, what makes it complete is the ability to chat with it and tell it what you need. It gets things done in a fraction of a second. You can download this smart assistant from the Cursor website and add it to your coding environment. Thanks for sticking with us. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We're waiting for you.